यहीं पर एक कांग्रेस की सरकार थी जो 35,000 करोड़ का घोटाला केवल खनन में किया था। उस बात को भी जनता को याद दिलाना है। हम काम करने के लिए आते हैं, हम सर्विस देते हैं, हम इस नए स्कीम लाते हैं और वो करप्शन लाते थे। इस बात का भी ध्यान हमको जनता के बीच में रखना है। कांग्रेस का मतलब करप्शन होता है और भाजपा का मतलब विकास होता है। ये बात जनता के बीच में हमें बैठानी है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी भितर असे एक व्यक्तिमत्व असा, असे मंत्रीगण असा, कोणाक एका कापसतात सुद्धा ना की एका तरी मंत्र्याचेर आरोप करचे आणि सांगचे की हाजेकडे कसलो तरी डाग असा आणि कसले तरी घोटाळा केला, असे खंयच आमच्या पक्षान जावना। हे आमचे भाग्य असा।
Not also corruption, it's a loot. Loot is going on in Goa. It's an entire rampant loot is going.
So, and cash for jobs
in the name of the corruption, it's a loot is going in Goa.
and in cash for jobs.
The loot. Whatever way they want to have the money, every minister is busy in grabbing the money. All ministers.
So when you are saying this government is corrupt, so then why you are planning to join the same BJP? You are saying this government is...
No, I have come to ask my position because they have promised me last election, 2022 election, and they kept me silent. Otherwise, I would have been elected, contested the election at that time only, and I would have been today MLA.
So, but why you said that all ministers are busy in making money? Tumka dissa all ministers.
Baba, I paid last week. I paid around 15 to 20 lakhs to one minister. I don't want to
For what, sir?
take it for a small work. He took my one file which I processed from the department. From his department, he took that file at his home and kept a message that if somebody come to collect this, to inquire this file, tell that fellow to come and meet me. So accordingly, I sent my manager to meet the minister. Then he told to meet his PA. He met his PA and PA directly demanded 15 or 20 lakhs rupees. I know at least 15 to 20 lakhs has been paid last week. And it was not a big work. It's a routine work because I was also minister. I know though.
Is there corruption in the Pramod Sawant government? Yes or no?
No, not at all.
Babush is laughing.
No.
Babush is laughing. You yourself said job scam, there is corruption. Yes or no?
So as far as jobs, as far as PWD minister was concerned, there was
Corruption in your own government. Sir, your own person minister. Your own minister is saying just the truth. Governor of Goa, Satyapal Malik, former governor said corruption. Babush said corruption in PWD department. Yes or no?
You don't know. It is not like that.
सगळ्यांचे टॅक्स पेयर्साचो पैसो दिता. जर ह्या बारीकशा कार्यक्रमाचे नियोजन जर व्यवस्थित जर जावपाक जर शकना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता प्रशासन खंय तरी आज तळमळलेलें आसा. आणि म्हणून एक गोष्ट सगळ्यांक सांगपाक सोदता की जेचे खातीर आमी नेमलेले आसा तेजे खातीर काम करात. आमी कितें करतात, कोणाक तरी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराच्यो फायली व्हरतात आणि श्रमशक्ती भवनाच्या सकयल तांचे कडल्यान कितें घेवन तांकां फायली व्हरून दिवपाक हें आमचें सध्या काम जाल्लें आहा. बरेचशे जाणांक खबर ना, आमकां ऑफिसान येनासतना आमकां कांय कळना म्हणून. ह्या सगळ्यांनी पयलू आज विचार करप हें तितलेंच म्हत्वाचें आसा.
आज की पॉलिटिक्स में आते हैं तो आरएसएस काफी हस्तक्षेप करती है। आपने कई बार बयान दिए गोवा में, जब आप गवर्नर से, तो आपने कहा कि आरएसएस के लोग का इंटरेस्ट माइनिंग में है, बीजेपी आरएसएस के लोगों का इंटरेस्ट माइनिंग में है।
ये नहीं कहा। वहाँ एक आरएसएस का आदमी था जो संगठन मंत्री था, उसका हर चीज में इंटरेस्ट था।
तो उसके बाद फिर आपको मेघालय भेज दिया गया।
हाँ, हटा दिया। तो वहाँ प्रधानमंत्री ने एक करप्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर को सपोर्ट किया, बजाय मुझे हटा दिया। मैं मेघालय चला गया।
जी।
तो मैंने तय किया कि भाई अब भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ नहीं बोलना है।